Juggling multiple accounts, calendars, posts, and schedules, a social media manager's job is not easy. There just simply aren't enough hours in the day to chase clients and deadlines, all while still carefully crafting creative content. That's why I took a look at the AI power tool Sintra to see whether it can offer real-world value. With the Sintra AI for social media, I was able to get help with a variety of work-related tasks, all without the heavy mental load that comes on top. But let me show you in this Sintra AI review. First, to understand how Sintra AI can help with social media automation, let's have a quick introduction to this tool. Sintra AI offers agentic AI employees. That basically means each user is offered digital agents that can generate content and even automatically post it on real platforms using built-in integrations. While Sintra offers 12 different assistants, all while specialized expertise and roles, for this video, I want to mainly focus on the social media manager, Soshie, and 2 other useful employees. Soshie has various skills, all perfectly tailored to social media management, from tracking trends to strategizing and content creation. Soshie can be purchased on her own under Sintra's One Agent plan, or is included in the Sintra X subscription, which provides 12 agents at one monthly cost. When compared to other AI tools with similar functionality, Sintra is reasonable. Even the 12-agent subscription with our discount is worthwhile considering it covers so many aspects of business. But if you want to check the pricing yourself, you can use the link in the description. Now that we have a little background on what Sintra actually is, let's talk about the basics. Once you've got a subscription, the first step is to start setting up your project. This is simple. You just answer a few questions to give the AI assistants context-based clarity on your needs. The best about Sintra is that you get 5 default projects which all feed off of individual knowledge bases. This is ideal for social media management because it lets you efficiently work with different brands, clients, and content styles simultaneously. If any projects become outdated, you can delete them, making room for new ones, as long as it stays within your 5 project capacity. Each project gets assigned to its own AI brain. This is where PDFs, images, files, brand books, and other project resources are securely stored. The AI agents then use the brain to learn and complete tasks that are specific to each project's ethos and tone. While storing all of your business information in a virtual brain may sound scary at first, it is important to mention that all the connections to the data is encrypted, which ensures all your content remains safe. Furthermore, Sintra seamlessly integrates with the most popular social media sites, making workflow streamlined and effortless. This includes Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and more, and gives you the ability to automate posts and manage metrics all from one workspace. If that sounds great, don't forget that you can get the best Sintra AI coupon code from the link in the description. Though you should know, while these integrations easily make Sintra the best AI for social media, the benefits go beyond social media management. You can integrate with other tools such as Gmail, Google Drive, and tons more to make overall task management easier and avoid scheduling conflicts. You can connect accounts that are outside of your own domain too. And Sintra has mentioned at some point their list of integrations will get longer, adding tools like Spotify and Google Ads. Now, let's hone in on some of the best AI employees that Sintra offers to make everyday social media tasks easier. Of course, there is a social media manager, Soshie, but let's put her into practice. Say you have 2 projects and want to post once a week on LinkedIn for the first, and 3 times a week on Instagram and Facebook for the second. Soshie can curate on-brand posts and automatically schedule them across various platforms simultaneously. This is just one example, but you can make it as complex or as simple as your project requires. Because of Sintra's direct integration, this can all be done without the need to switch between apps. All that's needed is your approval, and like magic, a post goes live. Soshie comes equipped with other power-ups, which are unique skill sets that make tasks faster. She can respond to comments and messages, in turn boosting your social media presence by being more responsive. However, what's most impressive is that she can give guidance based on the market and viral trends to make sure your projects are relevant. That's not all either. In my Sintra AI Soshie tutorial, she can actually build content calendars and even write her very own scripts. Though you may have noticed Sintra offers over 90 different power-ups, these are assigned to the relevant agents and cover a whole bunch of areas, not just social media management. So say you wanted help with overall business operations and an organized personal workflow at the same time. Vizzy, the virtual assistant, is the next employee I want to explore. Vizzy can help in multiple areas, freeing up your time to focus on high-priority tasks. They can help with the general stuff like managing calendars and deadlines, or they can assist with more personal tasks, such as image generation and create visual assets for posts. Here, Vizzy removed the background from this image. Though most notably, Vizzy can help with more complex tasks, such as creating detailed financial reports and summaries of whole quarters. Vizzy is ideal for larger projects, or if you need help balancing professional and personal workflow. Don't forget, a Sintra subscription can be purchased at the best price using our code. Another one of Sintra AI employees that meshes nicely with social media management is Pen, the copywriter. Whether you need help writing an engaging caption, promotional content, or a campaign message, Pen can write it, saving you time. Because Pen is trained on thousands of high-converting advertising campaigns across different industries, you can actually guarantee the copy will resonate with its audience, scale projects, and even get results. Here's an example of a new product release I had Pen write, and it was literally finished in seconds. And here's a post I previously wrote that I had Pen update with a more professional tone. It doesn't just end with posts either. You can ask Pen to craft newsletters or landing pages. And this can be written in over 150 languages too. Overall, Sintra has some of the best AI agents I've tried. Just take a look for yourself using the links in the description. Now, that's just a tip of the iceberg. But as you can see, AI for social media has many uses, not just content creation. When it comes to Sintra, it is a fantastic tool to help manage daily tasks and even assist with data collection and more complex jobs. Using Sintra helped me free up time that I could then use to focus on elements of my job that I enjoy more and gave me a much more healthier work-life balance. Thanks for watching this Sintra AI social media video. I appreciate your time and I'll see you soon.